Are you a veteran or currently serving in the military? Coming up are 5 reasons why you need to use a veteran and military experienced real estate broker. Hey everyone, Kip Craglow here with Premier Property Group. The home buying process can be full of twists and turns, and throw in using a VA loan, that can add even more. That's why you need a savvy real estate agent who's experienced with military and veteran buyers, who can better help navigate the process and remove obstacles that could keep you from the home of your dreams. So here are 5 reasons to use a veteran experienced realtor. Number 1, the agent understands the unique needs of veterans and service members. All agents can help find homes with the right square footage, the right amount of bedrooms and bathrooms, the right neighborhood. But for many veterans, the housing needs go well beyond that. An experienced agent has an eye toward the vet's specific situation, like helping a disabled veteran find housing grants or a barrier-free home. Veterans with PTSD have needs that most agents won't understand. Number 2, the agent can handle the accelerated buying or selling timeline. Active duty members sometimes need to move quickly without the opportunity to visit their new city, to house hunt, and a savvy, experienced realtor knows the right questions to ask to find homes that will meet the family's need. Doing detailed walkthroughs, like virtual walkthroughs, are a must using programs like FaceTime or Skype, because the agent is the eyes and the ears of the buyer. The agent can recommend a VA knowledgeable lender. Now, most lenders can do VA loans, but they don't know the special circumstances of getting approved, such as using residual income in pre-qualifying the veteran. And this could cause a veteran to be denied later in the process because the lender did not know the nuances of the program. The veteran could also be out hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in earnest money or inspection costs. Number 4, the agent understands the appraisal process. Now, there are certain minimum property requirements that come with a VA appraisal that other loans don't. But an experienced agent knows what to look for that may cause a home not to pass an appraisal, such as peeling paint, so it can be repaired before the appraisal happens. Number 5, the agent will ensure a condo or townhome is VA approved. The VA must approve a condo community, which means the VA has reviewed things like the bylaws, litigation, or financial statements. The list of approved properties is easily found online, but an agent who does not regularly work with VA loans may not know to look. And you don't want to find that perfect property only to realize you can't make an offer because your agent didn't know what to look for. However, working with an experienced lender, she will know who to call and the process in getting a condo approved if it currently is not. So if you're looking to buy or sell in the greater Portland area, my team and I would love to help. And if you have any questions about your VA benefits, please feel free to give me a call. And if you like this video and want to see more, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you get notified when I have new videos. Thanks for watching.